When and why should you have a home inspection done prior to listing your home and placing it on the market? In our area, it's customary for the buyers to pay for the inspection, but when would it be to the advantage of the seller to have them done prior to going on the market? We don't always recommend this, but here's a few examples as to why have a home inspection done prior to listing is super helpful. It can end up saving you time and money. Hi, I'm Cindy Paulson, broker owner of the Real Estate Housewives, and I'm here to help clear up some of the questions for you. As a seller, we want you to be aware of as many conditions of your property. You don't want any unexpected costs to come up that you really weren't expecting or even aware of. What about this? Let's say you found out that the home you're selling needed a new roof or an air conditioning unit needed to be replaced. You could do a few things. You could sell the home as is and disclose the issues to the buyers, not sell at all, or take what needs to be done and get it fixed. The idea behind getting the inspection done prior to listing so there are no unexpected surprises that could financially hurt you later on. We want the seller to be fully aware of all the additional expenses that could possibly arise from the sale of their home. The inspections that we recommend are standard customary inspections that a buyer would typically do. We may recommend home inspections, a termite inspection, or a roof inspection. And in most cases, you have the option to pay for these up front or when escrow closes. It is helpful to have all the health and safety items fixed as well as any termite issues, which could include dry rot, leaks, and of course termites themselves. These are very common requests from buyers, and it helps the sellers because they have much more assurance that they will net what they thought they were going to net when escrow closes. It gives them peace of mind that the buyers won't ask for any unreasonable or outlandish repairs, and it also cuts down on the inspection time. It helps protect the seller from falling out of escrow due to unexpected requests for repairs. For a smooth escrow, home inspections prior to listing is a huge benefit. If you are considering selling, or if you have any community or real estate related questions, call me. I'm Cindy Paulson, raising the bar in residential real estate. Until next time, smile and be well.